Hey guys, so today I'm so excited to review this Chucky Halloween costume for my dog. I am so excited. So of course this is a dog Halloween costume. It's the typical Chucky. I think we've all seen this costume on social media. I am super excited to review this. So let's go. So I ordered a size medium for my pug. So let's unbox it. So it first comes with a headpiece, which has the little holes for your puppy's or dog's ears. And it comes with an elastic band, and this is like the hairs. The material this is made out of is super soft, so I feel like this is great for my puppy not to be as uncomfortable as other doggy costumes. And this is the main costume. It says Good Dogs. It has the arm, so this is supposed to go on your dog's, like this is your dog's head and it's supposed to go like this, so this to be the arms, and this part goes in their front legs, so it's gonna look like a standing doll. And it also comes with a little knife that has some Velcro, so once you put the costume in your dog, you can place the knife like in their hand or wherever you want it to go, which I think is so fun. I think I'm gonna place it in the arm. Like, I absolutely loved that the fabric is super soft and breathable, so my puppy is not going to be uncomfortable. And I just feel like that is super important for if you're gonna put a costume on your dog, for it to be comfortable. It's made out of cotton and polyester, so it's going to be very breathable for any doggy. So this is like how the costume is supposed to go. And it also has these little like stretchy straps, which you can tie them according to the size of your puppy. As I said, I ordered a size medium for my pug, and of course this is how your puppy's gonna look with the costume. It's gonna look like this, like it's standing with their front paws like this, and this on their head. So I'm so excited to try this on my dog. So this is Peggy, and I'm gonna be putting the costume on her. So this is how the costume looks on my dog. She looks absolutely adorable. I feel like the knife detail is so cute, and this is how her paws are in. I feel like the size medium was perfect for her, and just the little ear holes are perfect. This is such a fun costume for your dogs for Halloween. I absolutely loved it. If you were interested in getting a Halloween costume for your dog, this one is so perfect, and I just feel like it's super comfortable for her because it's very light, so she's able to walk in it super comfortably. So definitely check it out. So this is her walking. It looks so cute.